Ever wonder if learning to code is even worth it now that AI seems to be taking over? If you're new here, I'm Greg, creator of Thoughtful Techie Cloud. Each week, I share practical guides to help you navigate your AWS cloud and tech journey. If you haven't already, hit subscribe so you never miss a tip that could transform your career. Here's the truth about learning to code. It's still one of the most smart things you can do, maybe now more than ever. Let's talk about why coding still matters in the AI era and how it gives you superpowers instead of replacing you. Let's kick things off by acknowledging the big shift we're all seeing. We've all seen those AI coding tools and we know they're fast and impressive. But the thing is, AI doesn't understand your business goals, context, or your unique problems. In other words, AI is more a tool, not a replacement. Hey, calculators didn't end mathematicians, did they? They made the mathematicians faster. And the same thing holds true for AI. AI makes coders more powerful. So where does that leave us? AI writes the code, but humans still decide what to build and why. That leads us nicely into a deeper advantage of learning to code. Coding builds structured thinking, problem solving, and logic, not just syntax. It helps you break down complex technical problems and business challenges. And when you understand how coding works, you can truly partner with technology. Even with AI, coders are still needed to debug, optimize, and deploy with those AI tools. Coding literacy is the new digital literacy. Now let's talk about what happens when you combine coding skills with AI. Coders are empowered with AI as builders. You can build prototypes, automate workflows, launch websites faster than ever before. To put it another way, coding lets you guide AI, not just use it blindly. Although if you don't know how to code, you are just guiding the AI blindly. And that you don't want to do. Knowing how to code lets you critique and guide what AI produces. And companies want tech talent who can work with the AI, not rely on it 100%. Now, with that in mind, let's look towards the future. Every profession is adding automation, code, and data tools. Coding knowledge gives you independence to automate, experiment, and lead projects. Employers really value people who understand what's going on under the hood. Even if AI does some of that heavy lifting, coders know what's happening. Now, that brings us to a key point. The best jobs are going to go to the coders that know how to use AI. Now, if you're wondering how to get ahead, here's what you can do. Start embracing AI tools and work with them. Don't just compete with AI, command it. You tell it what to do. Get creative. Start with practical things like Python, basic scripting. Practice and build something real. So here's the main takeaway I want you to carry with you. AI is changing how we code, not whether or not we should code. And the people that are going to thrive in the AI era are the ones who've learned to leverage AI. My call to action to you, if you're learning to code or thinking about it, share what's motivating you in the comments below. And if this helped, hit subscribe so we can keep growing our skills together. And I'll see you in the next video.